Let's dive into Algeria, a land brimming with untold stories and vibrant traditions. A North African country where history whispers from ancient ruins, culture dances in every bustling market, and family means absolutely everything. It's a place where the past and present intertwine beautifully. Here, weddings aren't just about two people exchanging vows. They're about uniting entire families, forging bonds that will last a lifetime. It's a celebration of kinship and shared heritage. Sometimes even whole communities come together to celebrate. It's a testament to the importance of community in Algerian culture. Think of it as a week-long festival, a grand spectacle of love and tradition. Not just a simple ceremony, it's an immersive experience. These celebrations are a vibrant showcase of tradition. A living tapestry woven with age-old customs, hospitality where guests are treated like royalty, and yes, a little friendly family competition to see who can throw the most lavish celebration. Relatives you haven't seen in years show up, eager to partake in the festivities, and the aunties are on matchmaking overdrive, subtly, or not so subtly, playing Cupid. Weddings are a powerful way to preserve ancient customs, ensuring they're not forgotten, and pass down cherished values to the younger generation. They connect generations, bridging the gap between the old and the new, reinforce community bonds, strengthening the social fabric, and keep cultural heritage alive, ensuring that traditions continue to thrive. And let's be honest, who doesn't love days of feasting on delicious traditional cuisine, music that fills the air with joy, and dancing that goes on until the early hours of the morning? In Algeria, a wedding is a living link to the past, a celebration of heritage, and a massive, joyful party for the future filled with hope and optimism. It's about celebrating love, family, and the beautiful continuity of tradition. The food, legendary, a culinary journey through Algerian flavors. The music, unstoppable, a rhythmic heartbeat that gets everyone moving. The energy, off the charts, an infectious excitement that permeates the entire celebration. Algerian weddings are more than just events on a calendar. They're the vibrant heartbeat of society, a reflection of its values and priorities. So, if you ever get invited to one, clear your schedule immediately. You're in for an absolutely unforgettable ride, a cultural immersion like no other. It's not just a wedding, not in the conventional sense. It's an Algerian wedding, a spectacle of tradition and joy. And that means it's a really big deal, a cultural phenomenon to behold. Forget Hollywood proposals, those grand gestures under the Eiffel Tower or on a sandy beach. Algerian engagements are all about family, a beautiful tapestry woven with tradition and respect. It's a collective decision, a union not just of two individuals, but of two families becoming one. The groom's family visits the bride's home, bearing gifts and well wishes. This visit marks the beginning of the khotbah, a formal, respectful meeting steeped in cultural significance to propose marriage. It's a moment filled with anticipation and hope for the future. Elders lead the way, guiding the conversation with grace and experience. They are the keepers of tradition, ensuring tradition and respect guide every step of this important process. Their presence is a blessing, a symbol of continuity and wisdom. The mar, a symbolic gift from groom to bride, a token of his commitment and affection, is discussed. Her keepsake, and his promise of security and well-being. It's a tangible representation of the groom's responsibility towards his future wife. The khotbah is the official engagement, a declaration of intent and commitment, setting the stage for all the celebrations to come, a joyous prelude to the wedding festivities. Once both families agree, signifying their blessing and support, the engagement is marked with a small party, a gathering of loved ones to share in the happiness. Gifts, tokens of affection and good luck, and of course sweets, symbolizing the sweetness of the union and the life ahead. It's a joyful preview of the main event, a taste of the celebrations to come. Elders mediate, ensuring harmony and understanding between the families, offer wisdom, drawing upon their life experiences to guide the young couple, and keep things running smoothly, ensuring that the traditions are upheld and everyone feels respected. Respect for elders is huge, their guidance is invaluable. They're the wedding troubleshooters, the voice of reason and experience. The engagement isn't just about the couple, it's a community affair. It's about two families forging a new bond, creating a network of support and love. Planning begins. The wheels start turning for the big day. Guest lists grow, expanding to include relatives near and far. And the bride starts dreaming of her many dresses, each one more stunning than the last. The countdown to the wedding is on. the excitement building with each passing day. In Algeria, even the proposal is a celebration, a testament to the importance of family and community. It's tradition, a beautiful blend of customs passed down through generations. Family and festivity, right from the start, setting the tone for a lifetime of love and togetherness. And yes, there will be more parties, each one a celebration of love, family, and Algerian culture. As the wedding nears, the rituals ramp up. The bride's hammam day is a spa-like tradition with her closest women, singing, blessings, and bonding. Then comes henna night, where her hands and feet are adorned with intricate designs for luck and happiness. The deeper the henna, the better the omens. No pressure. It's a night of music, dancing, and emotional goodbyes. Meanwhile, the groom's family prepares the marital home, making it welcoming for the new couple. Every detail, from cushions to tea sets, symbolizes support and a fresh start. These rituals aren't just for show. They're about purification, protection, and family unity. It's tradition, beauty, and meaning, all woven together. The stage is set for the big day. Algerian brides are style icons one dress won't do. She'll wear multiple traditional outfits, each representing a region or ceremony stage. The karakou, cheddar, and kaftan are just a few, crafted from velvet and silk, dripping with gold embroidery. The groom steps up too, in a sharp suit or traditional burnous, looking every bit the king beside his queen. Jewelry? Think gold. Necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and heirloom pieces passed down generations. Each accessory is a symbol of family, status, and blessing. The bride's look is regal, the groom's dignified. Together, they embody Algerian heritage and pride. Fashion here isn't just about looking good. It's about telling a story. And on this day, they're the stars. The wedding day is a marathon of joy. Hundreds, sometimes thousands, gather, dressed to impress. The food is legendary: couscous, tagines, roasted meats, and pastries that could launch a sugar rush. No one leaves hungry. Hospitality is everything. Music and dancing pulse through the celebration, from rai to chabi to folk rhythms. The zafa or bridal procession is a showstopper. Drums, singing, ululations, and a radiant bride. The energy is contagious. Even non-dancers can't resist. It's a true community affair, uniting everyone in joy. The bride's entrance marks her new beginning and her welcome into the groom's family. Every moment is about love, unity, and celebration. This is Algerian festivity at its finest. Every detail, every carefully chosen element in an Algerian wedding is loaded with meaning, steeped in tradition and cultural significance. It's a language spoken through symbols. Sharing food isn't just about eating. It's a central act of communion. It's about unity, generosity, and blessing. A shared experience that strengthens bonds between families. Gifts exchanged between families, carefully selected and presented, symbolize respect, goodwill, and unwavering support for the couple's new life together, a tangible expression of hope for their future. Colors matter, each hue carrying its own special message. Green, the color of life, for luck and prosperity. White, a symbol of purity, new beginnings, and innocence. And red henna, intricately applied for joy, beauty, and protection against the evil eye. These choices aren't random. They are deliberate acts of cultural preservation. They're woven into the very fabric of tradition, passed down through generations. Imagine a bride's grandmother applying henna, a tender moment filled with love, singing old songs, melodies that echo through time, and passing down wisdom, secrets whispered from one generation to the next. It's not just about beautiful designs, it's a sacred ritual. It's about connecting generations, forging an unbreakable chain of heritage. Every ritual, every symbol, every heartfelt gesture is a thread in the rich and vibrant tapestry of family heritage, a testament to enduring traditions. Algerian weddings are living history, breathing and evolving, celebrated, cherished, and passed on with love and pride. The meaning runs deep, resonating with centuries of tradition. Far beyond the party, it's a profound cultural statement. That's what makes it truly unforgettable, a memory etched in time. In a fast-changing world, Algerian wedding traditions remain strong, just with a modern twist. Brides might wear a Western dress, or couples might add new music, but the heart of the celebration stays the same. These rituals connect people to their roots, offering pride and identity and belonging. Elders work hard to pass down songs and dances and stories, keeping traditions alive for new generations. Weddings aren't just ceremonies, they're the heartbeat of Algerian family life. They evolve, but never lose their soul. It's about joy, love, and cultural pride. Algerian weddings are a spectacular legacy, vibrant and meaningful, and enduring. They're more than a party, they're a celebration of everything that matters, and that's always worth dancing for. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more new videos.